In today's video, I'm going to give you a very practical guide into permanently shifting your internal blueprint. And I'm going to do it with the aid of this little game board that I've created here. So here we have Janet on the planet and we have her current life. Yeah. And up here we have the dream life that she's absolutely wanting to achieve. And the beautiful thing about this is that it doesn't matter what your current life is. It doesn't matter what your dream life is. What you'll find is as soon as your dream life gets established, it will become your current life and you get to play this game all over again, right? So the name of the game is to get little Janet on the planet up to her dream life by hopping on all of these little circles, right? And how do we hop on these little circles? Well, it's very, very simple, but so many people find it really difficult to do. And I'll explain why in a minute. So Janet on the planet, she gets onto this first dot by saying, yes, this is the life that I want. So you decide what your dream life looks like. That gets you onto the first dot, yeah? Janet on the planet, she has this decision. This is the life that I want. This is who I am as I am living this life, yeah? And then she says some affirmations. I am living my dream life. I am living my dream life. I am living my dream life. Yeah, and she's feeling really good about herself. She is there. She is visualizing. She is scripting. She's doing all the techniques that she's learned how to do. And then she says, but why isn't it here yet? Oh, and that why isn't it here yet? That's an affirmation to keep her stuck, keep her in her current life. That is saying, I am not in my dream life. Why isn't it here yet? Oh, that's closer to the current life than it is to the dream life. So then she goes, oh gosh, I realize I've been saying that. Okay, back to the affirmations, back to the scripting. I am in my dream life. 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 But I don't see it. Oh, I don't see it. That's an affirmation of the current life. So we get back again. Now, what most people don't seem to understand is that it sometimes takes time. Biologically speaking, to rewire a neural pathway takes between 3 and 9 months. 3 and 9 months. And that is if you never go backwards. That is if you never say, but I don't see it. Where is it? Why isn't it here yet? That's without all the worry and the panicking that you haven't got the life you want yet. That it isn't here, that it isn't working, that it isn't manifesting. 3 to 9 months, that's biologically speaking. And you can make that quicker through repetition. So that's where people talk about robotic affirmations, just having them playing in the back of your mind all day long, every day. Just go to sleep with them, wake up with them, blah, 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 right? And that is really effective because it stops the, but where is it? Because you're just constantly telling yourself, it is here, it is here, it is here, it is here. I am that person, I am that person, I am that person. So you don't do the back step in the same way. You might still get a wobble and a thing, but if you can actually still maintain the identity of, I know who I am. I know that I am the creator, and I know that I can just jump to here by telling myself, oh, none of this matters. None of this matters whatsoever because everything works in my favor. Everything is always working in my favor and for my greatest good. I am the creator. And that helps you to jump these lines a little bit, right? Because you're not affected by the external world. Yeah. You perceive it to always be working in your favor instead of ever working against you. So that keeps this forwards momentum into the life that you want. If you are constantly telling yourself the story of your dream life, who you are in your dream life, that you are the creator of it all, then you won't keep going backwards because you won't keep saying, I've got to fix myself somehow. You never need to fix yourself. There is nothing to fix. You are perfectly imperfect. There's nothing to fix. You're not ever anywhere that you're not supposed to be by virtue of the fact that this is where you are. So if you can just keep telling yourself the story, I am in my new reality, I am in Barbados, as Neville would say, yeah. I'm already there, I am already there, I am already there. You will find that you will just leap faster, yeah. And the other way to like jump over these lines is to instill like deep emotion, yeah. The language of the subconscious is emotions, is this emotional state. Like trauma can send you from your dream life to your undesired life really quickly, can't it? Like trauma can have you believing something completely different about yourself, like overnight. One little thing happens and bam, you are in a completely different sense of who you are. Yeah, you have a completely different sense of who you are. But it's not only trauma that can have that effect. If, as you're doing your visualization exercises, and last Saturday I mentioned that it's much better to practice perceiving things in the internal instead of just visualizing them, because in perceiving is like a whole body experience, whereas sometimes when people visualize, they kind of have this separation. We don't want any separation. There is no separation, right? All we want is to embody the life that you want, so you know that it is here now. And that will help you jump all of these things, yeah? When you can instill this high emotional state of, this is my life and I get to live here. This is incredible. When you can have like deep appreciation instead of just doing gratitudes that like tick off boxes. Yeah, like so many people use affirmations and gratitude as another thing to do on their to-do list. We do not want you to do that, okay? The work that I do with my clients, it creates permanent change, but they have to put the work in, obviously, right? You have to keep telling yourself the story of the life that you want. You have to keep jumping forwards. Like I say, every time you're asking, why isn't it here? You're jumping backwards. You're jumping backwards along this line, yeah? So I really want you to notice what you are doing, what you are saying. Are you jumping forwards along this little track, or are you jumping backwards, yeah? Like I say, to rewire the neural pathways in our brain, we get to do that either through repetition or through an intense emotional experience. Yeah. And both are really good. So you vividly imagine it. You vividly imagine it. And I know that some people can't see their visualizations, and that's fine. As long as you get a sense of it, right? As long as you get this sense of perceiving it, like I said before. Yeah, if you get this sense of perceiving it, then you can elicit that emotional reaction to that experience. And your brain doesn't know whether it's an internal experience or an external experience. Yeah. Because all external experiences are actually experienced internally, yeah? So it's either through this high, like this intense emotional experience, or through repetition. And like I say, both is really good. Yeah, so in the morning, you get to visualize this life or perceive yourself having this experience of life. You get to inject like a really high emotional state. When I say high emotional state, it doesn't need to be rah, 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 right? It can be like intense relief. It can be intense joy or excitement, or just intense peace, right? Like a deep sense of peace. That is still a high emotional state or an intense emotional state. If you can really, really dig into the peace of the life that you want to experience and be in that state, then that teaches your body, it teaches your mind that this is normal for you. Yeah, we get to rewire our subconscious mind by having that intense emotional experience and by following it up with a repetition of thought of this is who I am. And that will take you on this little path to your dream life. That will teach you who you get to be. Yeah. And obviously your biggest identity is the identity of all that is the identity of God Source Universe in human form. This is who you are. You are infinite pure love energy. That is who you are at your core, at your essence. And we just get to play with these little characters on the planet, right? But playing with these little characters on the planet is why we're here. So every time you're asking, why isn't it here? You are taking yourself down. Yeah. Every time you panic about a bill coming in, you are taking yourself back to this life, back to a current life that you're currently experiencing. Every time you tell yourself that you are not in your dream life, you are taking yourself back to your current life. So just notice, which affirmations are you saying more? Yeah. Which affirmations are you saying more? Are you saying, why do I get to live such an incredible life? Why am I so lucky? Why is my life so rich? Or are you saying, why isn't it here yet? Why don't I ever get what I want? Why is this taking so long? Yeah? Because if you add those up during the day, you'll be able to see where you are closest to. Are you closest to your dream life or are you closer to your current life? I challenge you to do that, actually. I challenge you to really think about it like every hour. What affirmations have I been saying? Everything you're saying is an affirmation, yeah? So what are you saying more of? Are you heading there or are you heading here? Which is it? You get to play this game. You get to play this game, and you are playing this game every single day. But really understand that every time you're looking for it, you're closer to here. Every time you go inwards and you internally know who you are, you know who you are, you know what you get to achieve, you know what the life that you want looks like and feels like, and you're just like, oh yes, this is my life. I get to have this life now. That's when it will pop in, yeah. So just remember that, okay? 3 to 9 months for true rewiring of your neural systems. But I'm also letting you know that it can take days. It can take hours sometimes. If you have that deep emotional knowing of exactly who you are, and there's no confusion about it. It's just like a laser beam pointed to who you know yourself to be, then it can just spring in, yeah? But then you have to keep telling yourself the story, yeah? You have to know who you are with it or without it, because you can't have it in the external unless you know it in the internal. That's the law of correspondence, right? As within, so without. And the questions you're asking of yourself will help you to know whether you know it internally or not. So to permanently shift your internal blueprint, you get to tell yourself the story of your dream life always, without contradiction, yeah, without any form of, oh, but is it really, yeah, without all the why isn't it here, why is it taking so long. All of those why isn't it here, why is it taking so long is slowing your progress. Like in my work, like I say, we don't do shortcuts. We do permanent change. Because once you have that permanent change, then even way after you've stopped working with me, you carry on jumping, you carry on leaping, because you know how to do it, you know who to be, you know how to just keep jumping, yeah? But it takes discipline. It takes discipline of thought. It takes discipline of behavior. It takes discipline of action. It takes discipline of awareness, of consciousness. But the more conscious you are, the more aware you are, the quicker you will get there. All of my clients to date have made back their investment of working with me within 6 weeks. And it's because they keep telling themselves the story of the life that they choose. They have me by their side, reminding them that no, this is not heading the right way. This is reinforcing the story that you are currently experiencing. Like one of my clients, he literally got 8 times his income within 6 weeks of working with me. And it's because, yes, we did do some, subconscious unblocking, if you like. Like we had to investigate a bit like, well, why can't you keep telling yourself the story? What is stopping you from doing that? What belief system do you have in place that is keeping you telling yourself the story of not having the thing that you want instead of having it? And once that was unblocked, he had to keep telling himself the story of what he wanted. Yeah. And like I say, 8 times his income. And you can do this too. Yeah. You can do this too. You really absolutely can. But like I say, it comes with discipline. It comes with discipline of thought. How long are you going to keep telling yourself the story if it's not here yet? Yeah. This is what you get to decide. How long are you going to keep telling yourself that story? How long are you going to keep going this way down this track instead of that way? Like I say, the way to get there is to tell that story and no other. To stop worrying about the outside, to perceive it as something that is always working in your favor and for your greatest good. And that's all there is, right? All right, my loves. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you're going to play this game, let me know in the comments. And I'll be here cheering you on. Now, this is obviously the work that I do with my private clients. And in my signature program, they are predominantly 6- and 7-figure business owners, entrepreneurs, and leaders in their field. But if you're not there yet, there are so many other ways of working with me too. You'll find the link to all of them in the description. And of course, you can also join the YouTube membership where we have a mini course, we have accountability, we have live Q&As. So there's all the things in there as well. All right, my lovelies. Well, you're going to find another video just there. So click on that one next. And if I don't see you in the membership, if I don't see you on a call, then I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.